I've been looking for the best AI video generator tool, then watch this video to the end, because on this at the end of this video you are going to get all the necessary information you need in order for you to set up AI videos that really works, right? So a lot of you guys want to know the best tool to use for your AI video generation tool platform. Then this platform is the best, Higgsfield AI. I've done a lot of videos about this platform. I've also also done a lot of things about this platform. I'm going to walk you in hand or on hand so that you see exactly how to generate amazing AI videos that look so realistic, guys. And there's so many things you can do, not only videos. You can also see that there are so many things. You can actually work on images, videos, edits, characters, imprint, cinematic studio. Like there are so many things you can do. Now in today's video I'm going to walk you through a lot of things. So I'm going to go to create video. So if I go to create a video. Now before you go ahead to start setting this thing up, of course you know that you need to sign up for your account. Once you've signed up, you verify your account, then you can go ahead to get started and creating your video. So these are the videos I have created on this platform over the time. I've showed you guys different things. So if you want to also generate amazing looking videos, it's simple. So you can either upload an image here that you want to use to generate the video, or if you don't have an image, you can actually give it a prompt. As you can see here, I've worked with the two of them. I've actually given this platform a prompt and it generates exactly the thing I told it to do. And if I have an image and I'm looking to generate a video of the image, then I can also upload it here and make that image do exactly what I want it to do on the video. So there's so many possibilities to what you can do. But like before we get started, let's see exactly what are the kind of videos I have generated on this platform. Now this video you see here was generated purely off of prompts, right? I did not give it anything, and if you can see here, it is so realistic. Like it's going to be very hard before you can tell that this is AI generated, right? So that's how cool this platform is. Now I'm going to play it so that we can see exactly how it is together, right? As you can see, everything looks so realistic, and this is generated off of a prompt. So assuming I was really interested in making this even more better, I'll give you even more prompts and even more things. As you can see, using the image generated filmmaking scene with different cameras. Now I generated that image using this platform. I just told it to give me a cinematic shot, which is exactly what it did here. And after it gave me this image, I then asked it to make it into a video, and it did it super amazing, super fast, super easy. So this one was generated off of an image I saw on this platform as well, and I gave it a video to replicate the dancing steps of that particular video. So this is what I'm talking about. So let me see if I can open this one. So as you can see, this is the video I saw on the platform. So if you have your own video, you can actually upload, and the image you give it, it's going to make the image do exactly what the picture the video is doing. So if you don't understand, this is a typical example of what I'm talking about. Let me pause this so that it doesn't get on our way. So this is a typical example of what I'm talking about. So as you can see here, this is a video this person recorded, and this is an image, and this platform AI2 can make this image do exactly what this video is doing, and it gets recorded, and then you can actually make money with this by uploading on social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, depending on where you want to earn from. So there's so many things you can do. So as you can see, it's pretty much simple. Upload an image and you go ahead to do it. So if I wanted to do it now, I'm going to upload my video, or we can actually work with selected video. So if I cancel this, I can go ahead to upload the video, and also I can also cancel it if I don't want, and add a character. That's if I don't want, right? So that's exactly how it is. So it's very simple to generate or to set up, and I want you to go ahead to look at it. Okay, so one good thing I love about this platform is there's so many tools like you can try out with. There's scaling, there's clean immersion, there's this there's Sora, there's 1A, like all these things are video editing or video generation stuff that comes with AI, and all of these things is made possible by this platform, Higgsfield AI. Guys, go ahead, sign up and start using the platform. Like, I have a link in the description that's going to help you. So if you're looking to generate even AI influencer videos, this platform is for you, and it's pretty much not pricey. As little as $9 per month you can get started, and if you know exactly what you're doing, in the long run you are going to make all of the money back and even more. So that's one thing I wanted to show you guys today. So the platform is Higgsfield.ai. Make sure you sign up, make sure you keep using the platform, and if there are some more things, I think I should bring it to your notice. But I think I need to show you one more thing, right? So if you come over to this video, let's come to this video section here, and let me go to cinematic studio video. So let's see exactly how the cinematic studio video is. So this is the cinematic studio stuff. As you can see here, it's to help you generate cinematic things. So as you can see, we can actually you can actually work with the start frame or the end frame. I mean, depending, there's a lot of stuff you can do, right? So let me see if we can actually okay, let me see. Start frame. Okay, you're going to upload. Okay, you're going to upload start frame, and you're going to give it the end frame. Okay, so now what you need to do is to upload your image, or if you want to use their image generation stuff, you can actually make use of their image generation thing. So this is the image I've generated on this platform so far. Let me see if, let me just make use of, let's make use of this one. So remember, you can also upload, right? So once I click on the start frame, I said error. I think let me also select the end frame. Let me use this as the end frame. Let me use this as the end frame, and then let me re-upload the start frame. Okay, pretty much very simple to do. So right now, let me upload the start frame again, and yes, okay, I think there's a problem with that start frame. Let me get another one. Let me see this. So as you can see, it's uploading, and then yes, it has uploaded the start frame and then the end frame. So now all we just need to do is to click on generate, and it's going to cost us 5 stars. So this is like probably what you need for you to get the pro features, right? So if you have the funds, you can pay for the pro and enjoy all of this liberty. So if I go to generate, and let's see what exactly it generates, and then how we can actually go about doing that. So it's going to generate the video so that we can see exactly how it looks like. So it's just how very simple it is. Very simple. So I'm going to wait for it to load, and after loading, I'll come back and then show you exactly what we did, and then tell you a few more things about the platform. So let me wait a little bit and see if it's in queue right now, if it's going to finish very soon. So after some minutes, this has finally it's finally here, right? So this is what we have. As you can see, I did not enter any prompts because I don't have time for it, but if I entered a proper prompt to tell it different things, it's going to do it the way I want it to be. But this is just a brief to share just an image. I just did 2 images, and we have this amazing stuff right here. So I mean, go ahead, use this platform, Higgsfield. Calm down, whatever thing you want to do, just make sure you get the proper tool. There's a lot of tool to do it from this platform. So I'm an advocate of this platform because it makes sense, and I personally been using it. So that's why I'm bringing it to you guys. Go ahead, check it out and use it. You'll be very happy that you come across this platform. That is why I'm bringing it to you guys. Higgsfield.ai, don't joke with it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Tell me if you have any questions in the comments. Like the video and share to people that will be of help to. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. So that said, I know this video was helpful, so I'll see you guys on the next video, and stay blessed, stay cool. And if you have any questions, don't forget, like I said, the comments is there for you to tell me. Bye bye.